Auscultation of the chest is a very difficult art, and this is because it requires the detection of sounds that are often at the threshold of audibility and jam-packed in very little time interval. Although this applies more to cardiac than to pulmonary sounds, it still makes our task very difficult. What we'll do today is to provide you with an algorithmic approach, but still keep in mind that what you really need is pattern recognition, which is the ability to recognize a sound as soon as you hear it. That requires practice, practice and practice.